How to reset Regions Bank password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Regions Bank password. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, search for Regions Bank on your web browser. Then you can first head over to this login to Regions online banking. Then you should be on the login page. Now, if you're on the login page already, you'll see this forgot username or password option. To reset your password, simply tap on this password option and you should be prompted to this section. Right here, you'll need to verify your identity. So for that, type in your username and then your social security number. After you type your social security number in, you can then tap on continue. After you do that, you'll then be, they will verify that it's you and then they will proceed with the reset process. So they will give you a reset link or anything similar. They can send you an OTP code on your mobile device or something like that. So depending on which you get, you can simply reset your password. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.